biasanya itu dari turunan dari dulu.
Ini tahu.
Kemarin sekolah sore ke it's not school.
Okay, so we cook for her.
Dia cuma biasanya makan biasa.
King Makassar.
She don't eat lunch for all day work. Okay, so we cook for her. Okay, nice.
Right.
这位是我们昨天的老朋友欧甲。
Yes. Hi.
这位是我们住的公寓里面的一个小伙子，非常棒啊！今天我们继续用2.15美金一个人的预算，给一位摊贩啊，路边的摊贩买海鲜做一顿饭。Okay, let's go to the market to buy some seafood. Yeah, this is today. 我们的钱啊，36千，也就是36000的这个印尼盾，看看能买到多少海鲜啊！走。This one could be okay, but I don't know how much.
700,000.
Oh, 17. I think we can buy one of this for soup. Ask her how much. Okay. So ask him how much for one piece.
15,000 2 pieces.
No, we have not such money. Only one.
6,000 lah. This one.
Okay, 6,000. Nam ribu. We have 30,000 now. Okay. Berapa harga ini?
50,000.
If only half.
Oh, kalau setengah katanya.
Dan setengah lagi.
Oh, no. Kan ada cutting that one. Without bone.
Is it too fat?
No fat.
Okay.
So if you want to buy,
Yeah. How much?
30,000.
30. This part good. Is it possible? Ask him. Yeah.
Kami 30 nih. Iya.
好。好，30千给他了啊！我们从他手里买了1块。
One of them 36.
Okay, let's go. Tofu, tomato.
3,000. 3,000.
Yes.
3,000.
Plastic that. No. Okay. Berapa harga?
5,000.
Okay.
Ya. Terima kasih, Dik. It's not here. Not here.
说好今天9点会在这里摆摊的，现在已经10点多了，怎么办？各位观众在线等，挺急的。Ini tahu.
Kemarin sekolah sore ke not school.
Okay. She sell it or her
She sell it.
her mother or her father?
Punya mama ini atau punya siapa? Oh, is auntie. He belong to auntie.
Her auntie.
Auntie making the one and he sell.
No lunch.
Only breakfast. Noon time, maybe 5 o'clock.
Okay, so we cook for her. Okay. Terus ikut.
Dia mah cuma biasanya nggak makan buat gitu.
Saya tidak mengerti. She asked something I don't understand.
Oh, already full because the bread.
So,
The is setting maybe better money than food.
今天这个情况还能做饭吗？我看很艰难哦，怎么办呢？小姑娘说，可不可以不吃饭，给点钱给她？但是我觉得我不是出来给钱给别人。Yeah, sorry. We have no money. Yeah. Okay.
Rainy season like that, nobody buy his food. That's why he just want to take the money for making something again for his life.
I
To do
see.
something.
Later we can buy something from her, but not give her money. You know?
Already buy.
Okay. So maybe give one for that. Give him one.
Oh,
Okay.
workers don't do it anywhere, maybe in the door. Okay, after what's that? For the people. I want to be coffee. How many drink? Yeah. Stop. The problem. It's raining. Yeah. I'm worried. Yeah, it's raining now.
For Red Bulls, this part for light goreng. Beautiful， 仲有最靚嘅越南肉，仲有最靚嘅越南肉。
Yes, good.
Hello, our makanan almost done. Saya mau kamu makan dengan kami.
Oke.
Okay?
Oke.
Kamu makan dengan kami.
Okay.
哦，进旺加西，进马卡萨，准备吃饭。来，虽然没什么粉丝哈，那也要让粉丝先吃啊。靚靚嘅紅燒魚腩啊。Okay, let's eat.